Hello, what is your name?
My name is Regina Evangelista.
How old are you?
I'm 45 years old now.
What is your religion?
Christian.
Are you married?
Yes, madam.
You have kids?
Yes.
How many kids you
I
have?
have five children.
Okay, how old are they?
The oldest is 23, 21, 19, and 10 and 12.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
2 years, ma'am.
Do you have any working experience in other countries?
No.
Okay, so how long you been working with your current employer?
2 years.
Where's your employer living in?
Yes, in Yautong.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
563.
How many family members there?
7.
How many children?
They have 2 children.
How old are they?
8 and 5.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning 6:30 or something. If it's Saturday, I wake up 7 o'clock and then I begin to clean the house. After cleaning, 11 o'clock I go to Ama house and then bring the children to the school bus
Okay.
and then go back to the house and then clean again and prepare for dinner.
Okay, so how about dinner? What time you cook?
It depends upon if what time the sinsang and tay come.
Okay, so how about the about sleeping time? What time you sleep?
10 o'clock or
Okay.
sometimes if it's too early, finish the homework. I
Okay,
sleep 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.